Let's eat! Ginataang isda at dinuguan. That is menu ng mga Pilipino. Pag natikman nyo yung mga lutong Pilipino talaga, yung mga pagkaing Pilipino masarap. Teka, magtitinga lang tayo. This is not AI, this is real. You know, I am not Neng Elga. Be careful. I am eating by my hand. Philippine style. So, you guys be careful and have a happy weekend. I am not Neng Elga or Indonesian or Dela Anastasia. This is my one and only TikTok account. Be careful, okay? I am Rochelle G. This is my one and only account. Okay? Bye-bye.